This is a 2005 rx330. So today I'm going to replace the tack light bulb and the inner brake light. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out this area here. Yes, we don't need to try from here first. Okay. Probably. So basically, we don't have to take this out. Let's pull this one out. Or you need to pull the bottom first, doesn't matter. So I think it's better to pull both these at the same time. It'd be a good idea. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. But they also, you see, it comes separate. Good. Just pull down hard. Once you yank it down, just unhook the light. So this is what it looked like from behind the panel. So they just hold them by these clip money, and sometimes they still get stuck on the trunk. So just go back in there and just get it out. But you can see what, you know, what's holding by. So don't be scared to just yank it out. So once you yank it out, just be careful. Don't yank too much down, or you pull on the wire for the harness. Just disconnect it. So you look on top, you can see this one's still there. So I need to take that one out and put it back. So anyway, so my tag light was out. So it's be here. Just gonna do, just twist it. That's it. So it's just twist it and it should come out. Sometimes it's hard to get out, so just get it off. So it's just a peanut bar. So put it back in, just twist it back. If you want, you can just disconnect the connector too, and just do it that way. Once you get in, hook a brake connector back in. And that's it for the license plate. And for the outer brake light, I think I had was next to this one. This one I think is for reverse, and this one's for the brake. Let me go get the needle nose. So this one is also used by peanut bar. Just put it in, just twist it. So now we're gonna turn on the light and check everything before we put it back. So I'm going back and check, see? So it's good now, like the other side. And the tag light work now, so now we can just put everything back. So I'm gonna put this piece first. Because see this lip here? I mean, let's go inside. So I'm gonna put this one first. So yeah, so that's it.